So if I want to find out where a function is increasing or decreasing, all you have to do is look what's happening to the y values. And we always go left to right. So do you see the way the y values are getting less and less negative, and it's going up, the graph's going up? Well, this function is increasing until that point there. That's a turning point. Then it starts to decrease after that point. And y is going down, y is going closer to zero, and then it goes negative. And here's another turning point. And then, of course, then it starts increasing again. So if I had to answer this using the interval notation, I would say, where's my pen here? Is this not connected? Just a minute here. Oh, let's see here. Disconnected cables. Okay. So if I had to write this with interval notation, here, let me again undo the pointer. I would say I'm increasing. So it's increasing from negative infinity until negative 2.189, or up with u from 1.52259 to infinity. And then decreasing from then it's the in between these things, right? Between negative 2.189 to 1.52259. How many decimal places you want to use? Okay. And when those are open intervals, they aren't closed intervals, because at these turning points, it's neither increasing nor decreasing. Okay, now if you want, I guess we could do this with inequalities. We could say that it's increasing from and when x is less than negative 2.8925. Notice I'm not using the y's, I'm using the x's. Or from x is greater than 1.52259. And it's decreasing from between negative 2.1899, Dan, is less than x, which is less than 1.522, whatever it is. Okay? No, I don't want parentheses there because that's not an interval. Undo it. Okay, so interval notation is not bad. You can integrate. It's pretty. In most of MyOpen math exercises will ask for it that way. Desmos, interestingly enough, will be using interval inequalities, so it's good to be able to work with both. Okay, hopefully that helps. In calculus, you'll learn about derivatives and look when the derivative is positive, when it's negative. But that you can't. That's for the next course, not for this course. Okay, hope that helps.